We can bounce back up and close here at these 825s here on the 15-minute.
Okay.
We might get a little bounce here. On the flip side, if we close below the moving average, that's currently set to 7. Below 800s, shorts look a little intriguing there. So there's my little bracket for the moment.
Mandy number in 60 seconds. And this job number, ADP coming in weak. Jobless claims coming in higher. Jolt's job openings expected 7.25 million. Equities
right at market open.
Yes, we are. Dow about to print new session lows there, 49,280. Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, number. Do the thing. Do what you're supposed to do. 30 seconds. 76% long tilt in the NQ right now. NQ last trade 24,770. It's get spicy, Jack. Very thin on the NQ ladder. Very, very thin. Number 10 seconds. Man, oh man. 62% long tilt in the NQ now. Number coming in now is much lower. 6.5 million. 6.5 million versus expected of 7.25 million. So less job openings. Oh boy.
I just want to say this one more time. I know I've been hung up on Google this morning, but it's like,
heads up. This is, yep, here we go. Here we go.
I feel like the Jeremy Irons scene here. It's like we're kind of at, where does it go? Google makes 400 billion in revenue a year. It's going to spend 185 billion on CapEx next year. It literally can't grow that again. Like, what's happening?
Yeah. Jobless claims are going up, and there's no job openings are going down. Here we go. New session lows printed in the YM, 49,230. We'll see the same in the NQ, closing in on about 50, 60. Yep, Mandy. What are you short? What price?
720.75 right here, right now. Looking for
heads up
86s.
Yes. Closing in on session lows, 8 points to go. Dow making new lows right now. Okay. Yes, 6 points off the lows, about 5 points off the lows, 4 points off the lows. NQ driving lower as well. 10 points to go for new session lows. Oh boy. Trying to hold 25. Trying to hold 24,700 in the NQ. Yeah,
this is looking good for me. Good short. Yeah. There we go. Out another 200 plus on just 3 micros. That's some good volatility for you. Yeah. Micros pay, you guys. They do.
Here we go.
I mean, that's a day's work right there in
not bad, huh? Trading's the best, ain't it, Mandy? Trading's the absolute best when it works. Okay. Yes, held bid. Didn't quite print new lows. NQ with a nice cover, Mandy. All right, let's get Hogan here. Hogue, security blanket. Your security blanket. Hogue, come on in, man. What's up? This could get ugly, Hogue. Let's hope. We'll see. What's up, Hogue? Happy Thursday.
Hey, happy Thursday, and I'm glad to be your security blanket. Mandy, you are just a killer. Fantastic trading.
Hey,
it's so fun to watch. I was watching you last night.
I know that. Yeah, it was something last night. emotions definitely were quite the thing to learn how to navigate, but took a step back, reset, got back to it.
Nice.
But yeah, coming from you, Hogue, I greatly appreciate that. You're a legend, and that means a ton to me to hear that from you. So thank you very much for that.
Very nice of you to say. You're becoming a legend on your own here. And it's a different emotion too. When things are going really well, you got to be careful about that as well. You know, you got to protect those profits, and doing a hell of a job of it today as well. Just
Let's do
one
that.
after the other.
Can
Just making
can I do
making
that?
making copies, making
Well,
copies.
let's go to
So,
those settings. Sorry, Hogue. I do want to lock
oh, that's
myself
okay.
out. Not lock it out, but like personal daily loss
Take a little
limit
time.
um on a trailing. So I'm gonna give myself 1,000 to play with. We're gonna hit liquidate and block me out for the day. So worst I will get today will be 18,300. I hit enable trailing, so any green that I make allows that um, bottom water level to rise.
Just follow
And
you. Yes.
yep, exactly. And we're just gonna hit save on this, and we're gonna lock my risk settings for the day, so I'm not tempted to overtrade. And come over here, back to trading. Got 1,000 to play with. I think that's plenty. And yeah, we can enjoy the rest of fast markets and not lose anything of significance.
Awesome stuff.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Heads up. All right, Hogue, let's break this thing down. These market equities are feeling heavy right now. Hogue, break this thing
Yes.
down. It's like ES is just hanging on for dear life right now.
Yeah, it is.
Jack,
Jack?
you're short?
Short 5 MES.
Love it.
All right. I'm guessing 68.32.5.
You are correct, sir.
I love it.
Doesn't look.
Hold on.
Been
Dow
trailing a little bit.
Dow driving lower right now. This is yesterday all over again, folks. Yes, hang in there. Yesterday all over again, folks. New lows Dow. New lows Dow.
All right.
And Q.
So technically,
going.
It's been rejection of value for the equities today. Where's your CYA there, Jack?
It's going to be very quick because we might try it again. We'll probably get stuck on this first one here.
Dow new lows. Gold, micro gold selling off. Micro silver selling off.
And Q trying
where the stops at?
To hit these new lows.
Where the stops at?
Oh, this looks good.
50
on
tilt,
NQ.
50 tilt. Now new lows. Yeah, and Q and
Q. Got a healthy target for you, Jack.
How healthy?
67.96.
Yo, that's healthy.
All right.
Let's eat. Yes, just down, take some new lows there. 68.29 quarter. And Q, couple points off session lows by a couple points there. 24,669. Micro gold selling off. ES selling off. New lows.
Tagged it below.
All right. There
just
you go.
about on NQ. It's just flush.
50-50 tilt.
We're basically out. It hasn't been giving me what I want. Yeah, I mean, we got. Okay.
Yeah, let's get. Oh, good. I love it.
There you go.
Buyers are trying to hold it. Buyers are trying to hold the line right now. New session lows. Why?
Are you taking partials at that level, Jack? Okay.
They're trying to hold. Buyers are trying to hold right here on the right around the lows. It's getting tense here.
Too much hesitation. I'm out. We made $40. There'll be other opportunities. I don't want to get cut up a couple times like yesterday. It's probably going to keep going lower.
Yeah, here goes NQ. New session lows NQ 24,642.
We could get some resistance here, right? Like that
Yeah.
25 is 6,800 even in the SPX. So it could be a good place if we see some sort of like failed breakdown here to go long.
Jack, I do that often.
New session lows
if it's
down.
not doing it right now, if it's not flushing, if it's not going to make that push, let's just take our profits and go.
Get out.
Get out, yeah.
Yeah. What I'm experimenting with, it's almost like kind of a time limit. It's almost like the reverse of like cost averaging. It's like, okay, I'm in a short right near the low, and here it is. We probably would have got stopped out on this. It's like every 30 seconds, I'm taking one off, you know, because it's not going. It's not going.
Gold just popped about $25. Last trade micro gold 48.75. If you're long, are you comfortable right now? 55 tilt nothing. 5 minutes just opened up. This could be. Oh yeah. Session lows down.
Delta divergence. Positive delta 1,800 in the S&Ps on the lows.
Shout out to the bottom pickers. All right, though. We got a 40-point bounce here in the NQ. Maybe some short covering, or the long's going to jump in here and push this thing higher. Yeah, we saw micro gold bounce pop about $30 right there. Oh boy.
I think we're going to see the buyers here just yet.
I think buyers are in trouble. There we go. New session low is Dow. New session low is ES 68.26. Now 25's print. NQ not there.
Liquidity's lower.
Yet. They're going to smoke this
thing. Liquidity's lower.
They're going to smoke this thing. NQ new session lows.
New low, and now we're at 2,000 positive delta. Bottom pickers are present.
Or now.
This is my entry on the 3-minute for shorts. Came and retested on the 3-minute. Came and kissed the EMA and continued to sell off.
There you go.
So
it's not exactly exploding to the downside. We are kind of grinding lower here.
Yep.
New session lows, ES 68.23. What was yesterday's lows? Oh, you want to do? I want to get your breakdown here.
Yesterday's low, 68.62 half in the S&Ps.
62s? All right, yeah, dude, you're on right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jim.
And we've got 68.60 is weekly kickoff low. We tested down to it yesterday. We've tested it down to it a few times. We've broken through it to the downside now. So now I'm looking at longer time frame sellers adjusting inventory, and we're seeing that in this positive delta. So we're seeing weaker hands traders using market orders to buy, picking the bottoms against stronger hands sellers. The liquidity on the dome is to the downside. We're seeing 250 to 400 at certain levels in liquidity to the downside. What we saw this morning was initially the opening range was left at the dead ass high. It came up, price came up, tested to VWAP, rejected value. And so we're seeing multiple nuances saying we're rejecting higher pricing. We rejected VWAP, which is obviously angled to the downside. So volume is below that level. It's still seeking volume down to that level. Jack, the low, that target that I just gave you is a naked point of control that goes all the way back to the December the 17th, 67.96. Naked point of chill, point of comfort level for traders. It was the highest volume and the most visited price on that day that has not yet been revisited. So we're still we're still kind of cleaning up weaknesses in structure down below price. We're also now back inside the October 10th high, which was, you know, the biggest candle that we've been focusing on, Jay's been focusing on, and we're finally back inside of it. So right now, I mean, all the nuances are saying don't fight a directional market here, folks. There are visual targets down below 67.96, below that 66.94. Could we even get there? And that's about halfway. That's about the midpoint of that October 10th candle. Jay focuses on those a lot because it was, you know, very high volume. So, you know, to me, we're one time framing lower on the 30-minute chart, all red. You know, probably looks somewhat similar on since the open here. We did see that push back above the opening range, but again, right back to VWAP. We're below weekly kickoff low. We're putting in lower highs. We're putting in lower lows. This market is one time framing higher. DFADM. Don't fight a directional market until you find some basing, something you can lean on to lower your risk or manage your risk. You can't buy this thing. It's just directional. Don't fight it. I spent years fighting directional markets.
100%.
I tell you what it's cost me.
Yep.
Just don't fight this. If
Lost
you're
a
not
lot of
short,
money.
don't do anything.
Lost a lot of money bottom picking.
Well, we made a little
We
money.
can look at the
Jay.
NASDAQ too. NASDAQ is even a little cleaner as far as the rejection of value from yesterday.
Yeah,
here's the NASDAQ. Market
New
opens,
lows.
leaves the opening range at the dead ass high, takes it out, trades to value low from yesterday, takes one look above it, rejects VWAP. It's one time framing lower. Don't fight a directional market. You could see the bottom of the October 10th candle is right here, 24,405, 406. Below that, 25,335 is a naked point of control from the way back era. So there are visual targets. It's directional. Don't fight it.
Well, we had the tiger by the tail there. It just was taking its sweet time to get down. I'm looking at the hour candles. The one thing I will point out is we did just, test and bounce a little bit below. I would be looking around here for a failed breakdown. Like, as you said, some structure to go along. Ooh, I kind of like, because look, we just tested below the lows from January 21st and 6,800. We're right at about 6,800 in SPX right now.
See, there's a little structure right there.
Yeah, I
They're
think
short covering.
Yeah, man.